Welcome to Topedia. Here we are with another video on best residential garage car lifts. The necessity of having a car lift in your home garage is multi-dimensional. It can be the handiest equipment, from saving a big chunk of your money to allowing you to look at your ride anytime. On top of that, a car lift can make your daily I am a mechanic life easier. It takes off pressure from your tires and lifts the vehicle. This gives you enough room to tuck underneath and look what's up. Number 1 in our list is the QuickJack 7000 TL, portable car lift with capacity of 7000 lb. If you're in a phase where you don't want anything permanent in your home garage, a portable lift must be your first option. I present to you one of the market's most demanded portable home garage car lifts. The QuickJack 7000 TL. This one is too perfect when you have a tight space or limited room for your car lift, since it's divided into two parts and easily slides under a vehicle. Also, both of the frames fold down. One of the standouts of this particular product is that it's capable of lifting extra 3 inches than the previous QuickJack models. The whole platform can hoist up 7,000 pounds of weight. Talking about strength, the item can vertically lift an impressive 24.5 inches. It has a lowered height of 3.5 inches. If you're looking for a machine to lift anything under 70,000 pounds and want the best, the QuickJack 7000 TL has everything to impress you. Number 2 in our list is the APlusLift HW10KOH 2-post lift. Unlike the previous one, this is a 2-post overhead lift. This means that 2 main vertically standing posts will carry the vehicle's weight. It's a car lift for bigger and heavier vehicles. If you don't mind giving in a little extra space, this can be one of the best residential garage car lifts. It has 2 main frames, 2 swing arms attached to the posts, and an overhead assembly containing all hydraulic lines and equalizer cables sitting at the top of the 2 columns. The product can lift any vehicle that weighs less than or equal to 10,000 pounds. It also has an impressive number in terms of lifting height. Without a truck adapter, the machine can hoist anything to 75 inches. And with an adapter, it goes up to anything like 85 inches. In short, HW10KOH has 3 times of lift height than the QuickJack. Huge! If you're new in the auto lifting scene and afraid to handle such a big machine like this, you can rely on its safety features. These will ensure your safety and help you avoid all sorts of trouble. Having a big body doesn't mean you can't store the item. If you don't use a lift frequently, you can easily detach everything and store them in your garage. Installing HW10KOH is a bit trickier than the QuickJack. It takes more time and patience. It's always better to find an extra hand while setting this big boy up. APlusLift provides an installation manual for help. The third product on my list again belongs to one of the APlusLift. It is APlusLift HW10KBP. It's also a 2-post type like the previous one. To be very honest, this one is almost similar to the HW10KOH. The main difference between the 2 products is that this one is a floor plate model, and the previous one is overhead. The floor plate model has the same beam containing all sorts of wires and cables but sits at the bottom. This means your garage floor accommodates both the plate and columns. If you have a ride with tall tires and need more space underneath, this one should be your first preference. Because there's no roof here, and as a result, your vehicle can reach higher. Like the previous model, it can carry up to 10,000 pounds of weight. And the steel build ensures you can do that for a long time. Without truck adapters, our product can lift to 75 inches, again, same. But with adapters, it's a bit lackluster. The item weighs around 1,300 pounds. So, you will need help to install it properly. The installation time solely depends on your expertise. Number 4. Triumph NT11 2-post lift. Suppose you have a heavy ride and always want to be on the safe side. For this, you do not trust 10,000 pounds lifters. You need something more powerful, more stable, and more long-lasting. Here comes the beast from Triumph called NT11. APlusLifts were an upgrade from QuickJack, and this one is an upgrade from APlusLifts. Hence, you'll get more strength, durability, and overall performance. Okay, it's time to look at what the beast has inside. Since NT11 is another floorplate model, it features everything like 2 support columns for swing arms, 1 steel panel attached to concrete, and others. The previous models could only lift 10,000 pounds. But this one can hoist up to 11,000 pounds. The extra 1,000 pounds allow you to work with a bigger vehicle. It can raise a vehicle to a maximum of 72 inches without adapters, whereas the others could reach a maximum of 75 inches. With adapters, the piece can add an extra 8 to 10 inches. It has a drive-through width of 102 inches, and the distance between the two posts is roughly 112 inches. A truck has a width of 102 inches. So, the gap is on point. Lastly, the item comes with a 1-year international warranty. Hence, if anything goes wrong with your purchase, they will fix that for you. Number 5, the last in our list is another 2-post lift, the XK-L2900. XK, or Shinkong, is one of the USA's biggest names regarding auto tools. The company has a reputation for making top-tier products at a reasonable rate. At first look, it gives a vibe like other floorplate ones, but slightly smaller. It comes in a gorgeous light blue color. The steel build gives our product the required strength to lift about 9,000 pounds of weight. Now, the best part of the item. It has a maximum lifting height of 78.6 inches, which is by far the biggest number on our list. With adapters, it can take 10 to 11 inches more. Hence, less weight but more height, even everything up. The distance between the two posts is 106.3 inches. And the drive-through width is shockingly 99.2 inches. With this number, you cannot work with bigger trucks now as they come with 102 inches in width. Regarding safety features, L2900 shines here too. It has a double-point safety lock release, automatic arms lock restraints, and anchor bolts to ensure the carriage remains in its place. That's about it. We've covered all 5 products that we believe are best for a residential garage. The products come in different types, price ranges, and features. That's everything for today. See you again in another video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.